This 50 go.
I told you to not drink and drive.
Just to get this bad boy open. Spring right here. And we got the perch right here. Let's get these bad boys open. Alright, so pretty much this is just gonna pop on there like that. Then this will pop in here. Then you're just gonna stick it in the car just like you took the other one. You're gonna get you some needle noses. You know, and then you're just gonna push down on it like that and clamp down. And then when it does that, you'll stick like a screwdriver and just pop it out. Alright, we got the vice grips on the spring. Now you're just gonna pop this little piece down. Shit. Shit. I broke the whole piece. Well, as you can see, got the spring off, but the whole piece right here broke. So now I'm assuming I'm gonna have to go get a whole new clutch pedal assembly thing. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. Let's get this bad boy open. Alright, here we have it. Let's see. How's this go? See, it already has the spring stuff right on here, so I could probably do it outside the car and be a lot easier. Alright, this is how I'm going to do it this time. It'll be the same way inside the car. I'm doing it this way because it makes it a lot easier for you to see. You want to get your needle noses on there and pull down. You just want to pop this out like this. Easy peasy. Alright, just gonna see what happened on my other one. I broke this little nipple right here. I pushed it to the left. But what you want to do is when you get this, you want to pry down. So pry down. Don't do like I did and pry left or right, because you'll break this, and then you'll wind up spending almost $500 at the factory at the dealership for one of these. So we're gonna put a little lube on here. A little lube on these pins right here. A little lube right here. Shit. Kind of hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. And then we're going to put it back together. See, we got the lube right there because when this it's like this, you want to put a little bit in there. So make sure you get the spring pushed down, not left or right. Okay, and then just push down and push in. Easy peasy. And as you can see, that spring, that's why you want to grease that little guide pin inside. Alright, now let's get this bad boy back on the car. Alright, we got the pedal assembly back into the car. We got the spring perch back on. See here, you got it greased up. Pedal's a little bit stiffer now. And you're all set. Alright, there you have it, my Steeda clutch assist spring, or perch spring, or whatever you call it. So when you squeeze it down like this, you're going to squeeze it. I don't want to do it and pop up, but you'll have this down and there'll be a little clamp on it like this. You want to pry it this way. Don't pry it to the left or the right, because you'll break this right here. Don't make that mistake. Hope you enjoyed that video. I know it wasn't much to it and really didn't make good content, but all you want to do is push it forward or backwards. Get your needle nose, push it, squeeze it down, and push it forward or frontward to unlock it. Don't do it to the side or you'll break it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at this50go. Till next time, peace. Oh yeah, don't drink and drive.